Kung isa kang business owner at gusto mong mas gumanda ang negosyo mo this coming 2025, isa lang yung kailangan mo ayusin. You gotta fix your cash flow. You gotta fix your finances. Ito yung problema sa karamihan. May kaalaman sila, meron silang skill set, meron silang talent to create more money, pero wala naman silang skill set to sustain that money. Bakit? Kasi may leakage yung kanilang financial cash flow, hindi inaayos yung mga financial statement at hindi inaayos yung cash flow. First thing na laging naririnig ng karamihan na kailangan ko lang i-emphasize is that your personal money is different from your business money. The truth is, yung negosyo mo kaya hindi lumalaki kasi kumukubra ka na agad dyan for your personal lifestyle. Kailangan mong naintindihan na separate ang business money sa personal money. Ikaw ay sumasahod lamang or kumukuha lamang ng kapiranggot at katiting from your business money para masustain ang iyong personal na buhay. Kasi kapag yung pera, ibinabalik mo sa negosyo at lumaki yung negosyo mo, yung kapiranggot na yan, lumalaki rin naman. Pero wag mong madaliin. Ito ay mangyayari if you actually fix your cash flow. Ang dapat priority mo is your what? Excel sheet. Numbers, your calculator. Your financial statement must be clear, crisp, and accurate. Yan ang tip ko sa'yo kung gusto mo yung negosyo mo umayos.